Begin by making a foundation chain. Unlike shorter double crochet stitches, for triple crochet, you'll yarn over twice. Skip the first 4 chains from the hook and insert your hook into the 5th chain. Yarn over again and pull up a loop through the chain stitch. You now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops of the hook. You now have 3 loops remaining on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops on the hook. You now have 2 loops remaining, and then yarn over one more time and pull through the last 2 loops. This completes the triple crochet stitch. Repeat. Yarn over twice. Insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops, yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops. Repeat this process until you reach the end of the row. At the end of the row, chain 4 and turn your work. This turning chain helps to maintain the height of your stitches. To start the next row, skip the first stitch and work a triple crochet into the next stitch. Continue working triple crochet stitches into each stitch across the row. At the end of row, work the last triple crochet into the top of the beginning chain 4 of the previous row. And then repeat on every row.